Hi students, now we learn 5th standard science, lesson 1, growing plants. The topic is crops, types of crops and healthy crops. Let's see the answer key of previous session. Question 1, name 4 plants that reproduce from the roots. Answer is first sweet potato, second radish, third is the turnip and fourth is the beetroot. The second is the fill in the blanks. Bryophyllum plant produced from leaves. So remember the name of the plant, Bryophyllum. Third, what is spore? The answer is a minute one cell reproductive unit. One cell reproductive unit or cell is called spore. And last question is that fill in the blanks. Mushrooms, ferns and mosses plant reproduce or produce spores. The time to answer. Let's check out your memory, what you understand from this session. Okay, ready? The first point is that all plants reproduce through the stem, seeds. Is it right or wrong? True or false? False, because some plants reproduce through the stem, leaves, spores. Okay, so it is a false. First answer is false. Second is that a stem cutting of rose can give rise to a new plant. So it is true. From the stem of the rose plant, we can grow a new rose plant. And the third point is that plants like sweet potato cannot reproduce at all. So it's false. Sweet potato also reproduce. And the next point is that spores and flowers can be found on ferns. So it's false, because they only grow the spores, not the flowers. So in this way we learn our session. Okay, just check out your answer carefully and write down in the textbook page number 8 there. Okay, just once again see the question answer. All plant reproduce through the seeds is false. A stem cutting of rose can give rise to a new plant is true. Plant like sweet potato cannot be reproduced at all, it's also false. Spores and flowers can be found on ferns, this is also wrong. Only spores are found on the ferns. The today's topic we'll learn now crops. What is in by crop? The plants that are grown and cultivated in one place on a large scale. You can see that this is a maize that grown on the same place on a large scale. Understand? Only 1 to 5 plants are there. No, so many plants. So plants that grown and cultivated at one place on a large scale during a particular period or time. So it is called, or they are called crops. So you can understand same types of plant grown on the same place on the same time. So this is called, these are called crops. So remember the definition of crops. So different crops are grown in different places on the basis of first type of the soil, second is that available of water, and third is the climate. So based on the soil type, available water and climate, the plants or different crops can be grown on different places in India. So there are major two types of crops. One is that Rabi crops. So what is my Rabi crops? In India, crops like wheat and gram. You know that wheat and gram, these are the wheat and gram, these are the two. Wheat and gram are grown in winter from which month? November to April. So they are called Rabi crops. So you can simply understand that plants that grow from November to April, which month? From starting November month and from November to April month. So such kind of crops are called Rabi crops. An example is that wheat and gram. Peas also there, garlic also there. Okay. Then these crops do not depend on monsoon rain. So Rabi crops not depend on monsoon rain. We artificially give the water with the help of well, tube well or motor, anything. So vegetables like cabbage, then cauliflower and the cabbage. Okay, cabbage, cauliflower, pea, you already see that, and beans. So these are grown in winter. So give the another example of vegetable that can be grown in winter as a Rabi crops. Cabbage, cauliflower, pea and bean are also grown in winter. So Kharif crops. What is my Kharif crops? The crops grown in summer. So you can see that the crops that is grown in summer from June to October. From June to October. are called kharif crops. Remember that. So example of kharif crops are there: rice, maize, jowar, and bajra are the example of kharif crops. So what is the duration? From June month to October, these kharif crops we have to grow. We will grow. So these crops directly depend on the monsoon rain. So kharif crop directly depend on the monsoon rain. Now you can see that this is a July month is going on. So farmers plant the cotton. So it is an example of kharif crop. So some also sow in the seed the maize, and this is a rice. So these are the soybean. Soybean also form of kharif crop. Example of kharif crop. Vegetables like pumpkin, brinjal, and groundnut also grow well in the summers. So which vegetables can grow in summer? That is pumpkin, brinjal, and groundnut. Okay. So remember the example of kharif crops. So the last point is that healthy crops. Crops need to be grown on a very large scale to feed the entire population of a country. You know that India that has 137 crore population. To feed, to give the food of this large scale population of India, we must grow the different crops to feed this population of India. So for that purpose, we have to do the agriculture. So what is in the agriculture? The practice of growing crops on a large scale is called agriculture. Understand? You can see that in the agriculture, a big land is cultivated with the different types of crop: rice, wheat, maize, jowar, bajra, like this. So understand the definition of agriculture. The practice of growing crops on a large scale is called agriculture, and farmer who do this agriculture, that is called farmer. So learning session, what is your achievement on this today's session? Answer the following question. 1, define crops. Second, what is meant by agriculture? Define rabi crops with 3 examples, and define kharif crops with 3 examples. Okay, learn it and write it. Thank you.